हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एक बहुत ही यूनिक टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं। द टॉपिक इज वोकैबुलरी। वोकैबुलरी मीन्स नथिंग बट वी कैन से वर्ड पावर। फॉर अस वी कैन कॉल इट एज वर्ड पावर। हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? वर्ड पावर। अब हमको ये देखना है कि हमको हमारी वर्ड पावर कैसे बढ़ानी है, हम अपनी वर्ड पावर कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं। वर्ड पावर बढ़ाने के बहुत से तरीके हम चाइल्डहुड से अभी तक सुनते आ रहे हैं। मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल लर्निंग वर्ड्स, नंबर 2 रीडिंग बुक्स और न्यूज़पेपर, नंबर 3 कॉन्वर्सेशन, नंबर 4 हम न्यूज़ वगैरह में देखते हैं। लाइकवाइज हम डिफरेंट मेथड्स हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं जिससे हमारा वर्ड पावर क्या हो, इंक्रीज हो। लर्निंग वर्ड्स क्या होता है? कोई वर्ड लिखो, उसको लर्न करो, रिपीट करो, बार 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 उसके मीनिंग, उसका स्पेलिंग ये वो रिपीट करो। चाइल्डहुड में हम वो करते थे। उसके बाद में रीडिंग बुक्स, न्यूज़पेपर, या तो बुक्स पढ़ो, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स पढ़ो, या फिर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर एवरीडे हमारे घर में हम रीड कर सकते हैं। एक होता है कॉन्वर्सेशन करना। अब कॉन्वर्सेशन करना मतलब आपका कोई फ्रेंड है, आपका भाई है, बहन है, आपके मॉम डैड, टीचर्स, एनीबडी हु कम अक्रॉस योर लाइफ in everyday life, you can converse with them, you can have a conversation with them, and you can increase your word power. And the next one is watching news every day on television or hearing on radio. Now when we hear or when we watch news, we come across few new words. When we have a conversation, we come across different words. Reading books, हम जब कोई बुक रीड करेंगे तो हमको नए नए वर्ड दिखते हैं. Then we go to the dictionary, we see the meaning, we try to understand it, we try to memorize it, and by that way you can remember the words, you can increase your word power. Similarly, instead of books, here comes newspaper. Now learning words means what? Memorizing the words. Memorizing words मतलब कोई वर्ड हम लोग देखेंगे, उसको हम लर्न करेंगे, उसको हम लर्न करेंगे, अब उसको हम हाथ पे लिखेंगे, उसको हम बुक में लिखेंगे, उसको फिर हम रट्टा मारेंगे. That method is called as learning the words. Now, friends, I have come up with some innovative ideas. Means, of course, we are going to learn the words. We are going to see the words in different ways, but I have come out with some different innovative methods which can increase your word power in an effective manner and in a simple method. Now, today we are going to discuss one of them, only one method. Now we can make different sections of words. How we can memorize or how we can learn the words. Now today I have come up with a method in which we are going to learn the words in a different way. Suppose हम सबको A to Z alphabets मालूम है. We know the words, we know the alphabets from A to Z. Now, keep in mind, learning the words or reading the books or newspaper, having a conversation, again, everything needs some knowledge about the language. You need some basic words that should be known. Otherwise, if you start reading the news or book you will find one difficult word, you lose your motivation, you lose your interest, and then you skip it. You keep it aside. The thing went down. Now, what I am going to suggest, learn some small basic words first. You can increase the limitations, you can increase the area, but let us start from a basic word. For example, if I say I'm going to teach you only 3-letter words today. 3-letter word, not more than 3 letters, only 3-letter words. These 3-letter words, suppose I say, and all will carry AY in the end. Means 3 letters are going to be there. Out of them also 2 letters are fixed. That is ending with AY. Now you people will imagine it is very small area. कितने word मिलेंगे हमको? Let us see. Let us see and how we make it. Now 3 letters and ending with AY, right? Now suppose I start saying ABCD. Is there any word saying double AY? No. But there is a word bay. A B BAY bay. C. Then there is a word called day. Bay day. C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S C B Bay Day Gay Hey Le Me Pe Re Se S T U V. Now W V W X Y Z. How much are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words. Can you imagine? The words carrying only 3 letters ending with AY there are 10 words in English language. Now you can guess the meaning. What is bay? In hilly area we see the bay. Days, you know day. Gay is happiness. Hay is grass. Lays, to sleep. May is helping verb and month of May. Pay means to pay something, to pay for something, to pay the money for something. Ray, R-A-Y, ray. Ray means the sun rays. We have sun rays. Again, X-ray. We have our body X-ray. When there is some problem, ray. Say means to say something. Way means the way, road, route, something. Now like this, you can make group of words. I will give you one more example. Again, 3-letter words, 3 letters, ending with AN. Ending with AN. For example, now I can say BAN, ban, CAN, can, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, J, K, L, M, M, N, right? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, S, T, R, S, T, T is there, tag, T, U, V, VN, van, tan, van, V, UV, finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 words. Now you can guess the meanings of this. What is ban? To prohibit something. किसी चीज को बंद करना. Suppose smoking is banned. Smoking is not allowed. Can is a helping verb, and also a can which carries liquid into it. That is also can. Fan, we every day use it in our house. And one another fan is, दूसरा fan होता है, I am the fan of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Somebody may be the fan of any cricketer, like that. LAN is computer LAN, that is connectivity. Man, you know. Pan, that is frying pan, kadai. Ran means to run. Tan is the color. He is very tan. That means whitish color. And van is car. Like this, you can remember, you can memorize different kinds of words. Now this I showed you the example of 3-letter words. Now we can similarly have 4 letters. EAR. Last, ending with EAR. You can take any combination. आप कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन ले सकते हो. एनी कॉम्बिनेशन. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे AN लिया, यहाँ पे AY लिया, यहाँ पे EAR लिया. You can take IN, you can take IX, anything. Suppose mix, six, fix, like this. You can take anything. Means there is no restriction. You want to increase the word power, you can have any word. Now, suppose it is beer, it is deer, right? Then fear, gear, see. Is it okay? Can you understand the meanings of this? Bear is an animal. Deer means the lovable person. Fear means to get afraid. Gear means that gear of a motor. Hear means to listen. Near means close. Nazdik. Pear means a fruit. Rear means backside. You can say rear door of a car. Rear door means backside door of a car. Rear. After that, wear, to put on. कपड़े पहनना, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Wear. You can make any combination. You can find any words that are prepared in this way. What is happening? See, if you see, these are 10 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18, 28. In a very short time of almost 10 minutes, we saw 28 words, and I challenge you that so many of you might not be knowing at least 10 words of it. There may be more number also, but there may be so many people who will not know minimum 10 words. So within the period of 10 minutes, you got 10 new words. Likewise, you can prepare the words. Likewise, you can memorize the words. There can be any combination that will help you to learn, help you to prepare the words. Okay? Thank you, friends.